very mossy and slippy here. You know what, the hardest bit of my mod 2 was the bit where you have to take the bike off the centre stand and then reverse it into a parking bay. It took me so long to do it. He's like, it's alright love, take your time, we've got as long as you need, Totally, it took me ages to do it, but I did it. In my mod 1, sorry, not my mod 2. I can't see fuck all. All I can see is some little raindrops keep falling on my head. I forgot mince for tacos. You can't have Taco Tuesday with no mince for tacos, can ya? No, you can't. It's my birthday tomorrow. Tie green for my birthday. I've been spoiled rotten already. Spoiled absolutely rotten. I'll go there, mate. I'm actually just going to leave the camera on while I go into the shop and get this mince. I normally stuff it, but I'm going to leave it. We've already got some mint. Just need more. Tomatoes. Oh, they look nice, don't they? Oh, I don't feel very nice today. Oh. Oh, they look quite good. There ones. Right. Taco Tuesday's now happening, people. Did forget something. Yeah. Dinner. Yeah. Sorry, well, I got the vodka and the coffee as well. No, you're alright, thanks. Cheers. Thank you. FOR SKY. He looks quite sweet, actually. Number plate looks a bit small, doesn't it? I want one of those. I think they're a bit legal, but people don't really care though, do they? Hey, what are they doing? I still can't paddle back. On a big bike, it's going to be even worse. This one's tiny. I have to get off it. So ridiculous. There we go. Once the engine's going, it's totally fine. Away it goes. Oh, I can't see again. You know what? Sometimes you don't like if you put a tiny little bit of washing up liquid on your helmet, it'll stop like rain and the breath getting on it. But I always overdo it and just end up with a fucking soapy visor. So I'm not very good at it, but I'm sure you can find a YouTube tutorial that'll show you how to do that. That makes riding in the rain a lot better. You know, I have bought these products before that say they do it, and I've never actually found one that has done it effectively. But somebody did the visor thing to my visor once for me, and it did work, which is why I'm sitting and do it, obviously, even though I can't show you how because I'm crap at it. So yeah, I hope this video works now, and I hope the audio is now sorted and everything's now sorted. And let me know in the comment section if it is, please. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.